Sorry. Wow.
There was a time where we were renting a house in Rush City, and there was a hailstorm. Right away in the morning, Rob had already left for work.
Holy crap.
Those were bigger than golf balls, like that big.
It's getting
Felt like I
bigger.
was in a war. It was so loud, just pounding, and the kids were super little, and they were still sleeping. So I grabbed them and got them into the living room so they'd be away from windows. Because it broke two of the windows in our apartment, and then Robin's driving this little Honda car, and it shattered the back window. And the whole thing had a huge dent. It was
Holy crap.
so scary because I didn't know what to expect.
Well,